As you can see, there was a promise of 500 million US dollars that the United States will be assisting or will be giving to the Philippines in terms of defense and military capabilities. But one thing that you have to note that this $500 million is not yet there. It's a pledge. But the most important thing I think that we have to understand is what would be the implications of this. First and foremost, it connotes that U.S. expanding its military presence in the region through the Philippines. Second is it signals the continuation of the militarization of the Philippines by the United States, and the reason for this is they justify this as a deterrence against China over the conflict in the South China Sea between the Philippines and China, which I don't believe that it actually would deter China if China would do something, you know. And the third one is the overall goal of this is I think from my perspective is to counter China in the region. And, in terms of the overall situation, I mean, this kind of moves on the part of the United States is, I think, geared towards and caters to the containment and countering policy of the United States against China. But the most important, I think, is what would be the impact of this in the region. First impact, I think, it can provoke an arms race among regional powers and also among countries in the region. And I think it will escalate or heighten the tension that is already there between the United States and China when you talk about security and defense. And of course, it will also heighten the not so good political and diplomatic relationship between the Philippines and I think and China.